Welcome to Video Diaries. Today is the fourth video in the Navratri series, which is a Badam Burfi recipe. This Badam Burfi can be easily made with milk powder. So let's begin to know how to make this easy Badam Katli recipe. Ingredients are 1 cup sugar, 1.5 cup Badam powder, half cup milk powder, a tablespoon of ghee, a pinch of cardamom, and some almonds for decoration. A recipe on how to make this badam powder is already available on the channel. I will link it in the card above or description box. In a pan, add 1 cup sugar, half cup water. Mix them well and let it boil until the sugar dissolves completely. Once the sugar melts and starts to bubble up, dip your finger in some cold water and check if the sugar has turned into one string consistency. Once that's done, let's add our dry ingredients. 1.5 cup badam powder. You can just dry roast the badam and grind them to make it a fine powder. Half cup milk powder. A teaspoon of cardamom or elaichi. Mix them well until they completely dissolve into the sugar mixture and there are no lumps. Let this cook in low flame to avoid burning. Stir them so that they do not stick to the pan. Now at this stage, add a tablespoon of ghee. Let this cook until the ghee completely melts and gets incorporated into the mixture. After a couple of minutes, you can see the mixture starts separating from the pan. This is the exact consistency that we are looking for. So now remove them from heat and let it cool for some time. Now apply some ghee onto the butter paper or a plate. This will help in preventing the burfi mixture from sticking. Transfer the mixture onto the greased butter paper. Now knead the mixture with the help of butter paper. This will help in cooling the mixture slightly. Now cover them with the butter paper and using a rolling pin, roll the burfi mixture to the desired thickness. Now chop around 5 to 10 almonds. This is an optional step to decorate the burfi. Now add the chopped almonds on the burfi and slightly press them. This is an optional step just to make this look prettier. You can skip this entirely. To decorate this further, I am adding the silver leaves. Place the silver leaf upside down along with the paper and do not touch them with your hands, otherwise they will stick to your fingers. This is just to make it look as if it is store-bought. Now chop them into your desired shape and our delicious badam katli or almond burfi is ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, you know the drill. Be sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video tomorrow.